In SendPulse CRM, a task is a complete structure with its own fields, tabs, statuses, and priorities. Customizing the task board allows you to adapt the task structure to a specific process, hide what's unnecessary and add what you need, standardize information, increase the speed of task completion. In this lesson, we will talk about managing task attributes and how to manage the tabs on a task card. Attributes are the fields on a task card that you can change or hide. To edit the attributes, go to the task board and click on Settings. In the General tab, you can change the board's name and color, add other people responsible, and delete the board. Next to this, you'll see other tabs. Let's go to the Fields tab. Fields are used to structure and store various types of data. You can disable, edit, or delete the fields you've added. To change the order of the fields, simply click and drag them to the desired position. To add new fields that will be available by default when you create tasks, click Add Field. Here you can enter the field name. System tabs are not available for selection. You can only choose General or one you have created yourself. Also select the field type. It can be a string, number, date and time, linked list, or checkbox. You can make a field required using the corresponding function. After filling out the form, click Add. Now let's move on to the third tab, Tags. Tags are used for classifying data and making it easier to search. You can choose a custom color for each tag, but unlike fields, the value for a tag can only be a text string. To view your tags and the number of tasks you've added them to, go to the Tags tab. To edit or delete a tag, click the three dots next to it and select an action. To add a new tag, just click Add Tag. Enter the name, choose a color and click Save. Now let's move on to our second question. How do you manage tabs on a task card? It's simple. Tabs help us divide information into logical blocks within task cards so we can quickly find what we need while we're working. To add your own tab, go to Settings and in the Tabs field, click the plus sign to add tab at the bottom of the list. Then specify the settings in the window, the tab name and the fields. Pull from the list of fields that you created in the Fields tab. The added fields will only be displayed in this tab, which allows you to move fields from one tab to another. For convenience, you can change the order in which tabs appear on the card by clicking on the field to the left of the name and dragging it to the desired position. To edit, hide, or delete a tab you've created, click the corresponding icon next to the tab. We have now finished the topic of customizing the task board, and in the next lesson, we will begin with task automation.